Turn left, then arrive at your destination.
We're here in Seven Magic Mountains, here in outside Las Vegas. Free to the people. Please respect the artwork. Please do not vandalize. By Ugo Rondinone. Ugo Rondinone, Seven Magic Mountains. It's an artwork of thresholds and crossings, of balanced marvels and excessive colors, of casting and gathering the contrary air between the desert and the city lights. Ugo Rondinone is the artist. We're walking to it now. Seven Magic Mountains. Really nice. So this is the Seven Magic Mountains by Ugo Rondinone. See, nice colors: black, blue, yellow, white, red. And I'm just here all by myself. Hi guys, this is the Seven Magic Mountains here in near Las Vegas, Nevada. See, lots of colors, and there's 7 of them. The artist is Ugo Rondinone. See, there's black, blue, yellow, white, and red. I noticed that this has five rocks. This one also has 5 rocks, but this one is the tallest one, 6 rocks. And this one, 4 rocks. And this one is also 4 rocks. And this one is also, well, this is a 6 rocks here, and this one is just 3 rocks. 7 Magic Mountains. 7 Magic Mountains near Las Vegas, Nevada. About 30 minutes from Las Vegas Strip, going to the south.